Hello guys, what to do if apps not downloading from Microsoft Store in Windows 11 and Windows 10 and how to fix this issue. And the first issue is clear Microsoft Store caches. To do this, open run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type WSRESET. Press OK. It will clear Microsoft Store caches. Sometimes caches restrict to downloading apps from Windows 11 and 10. Thereafter, go to Microsoft Store. From the left side, choose Library and update Microsoft Store app. Choose Get Updates. And update Microsoft Store app. The next workaround is run Microsoft Store troubleshooter. Go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot and find and fix problems with Windows Store apps troubleshooters. Click on open. Thereafter choose next and let the Windows detecting problems and resolve them accordingly. The next workaround is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key or right click on a start button and choose Windows settings. Here go to apps from the left pane, choose installed apps and look for store apps. Microsoft Store app, click on 3 horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app is still not working, then choose reset Microsoft Store app in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Install latest Windows updates. Update your OS to fix this issue. Go to Windows settings, choose Windows Update from the left pane and click on check for updates. And if you find any available updates, simply download it and install it. Your incorrect date and time settings may be a cause of this error. So update your date and time settings. Go to Windows settings and choose time and language. Here choose date and time. And here first disable automatic time and region settings. First disable it, set time zone automatically and disable it, both of them, and choose set the date and time manually, change, and here correct your date and time settings. Click on change and your apps not downloading from Microsoft Store is